How to fix Simplii Financial app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now, at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Simplii and then search for it. With that, app will appear. Now, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, get over to the option of iPhone Storage. Over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed on your device. Find the app Simplii. After you find it, open it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If these two solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 3. That's you need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Simplii. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Simplii Financial app not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.